Hi, this is Doris, a librarian at the Palo Alto City Library. Today we will be making a bird out of some leftover yarn. The materials you'll need are 3 types of yarn in the colors you'd like for the bird, a piece of cardboard measuring 5 inches in length, some glue, scissors, and some googly eyes. You can also use beads or not some dark colored yarn for the eyes. And you'll also need a paper towel or piece of paper to use as stuffing. First, we'll wrap our yarn around the piece of cardboard around 40 times. Try not to wrap it too tight because you'll be using scissors to cut one of the ends. Since mine was a bit tight, I'm pulling the yarn off the cardboard to snip the yarn. Repeat with the other 2 colors. Then reserve 1 piece of yarn from each section for later. Take the 2 colors you want for the head and chest and cross them. Fold the pieces in half and then tie them off with the yarn you saved earlier. Lay the last section down and crumple some paper for stuffing. Then we'll bring the ends of the yarn together. I'm smoothing out what will become the wings and making sure it covers all the stuffing. Then we'll tie it off with a piece of yarn. Next, I'm going to trim the tail following a V shape, but you can trim it however you'd like. Just make sure not to trim too close to the area where you tied the knot so that the yarn doesn't come loose. Now I'm cutting a piece of cardboard for the beak. We'll glue it down along with the eyes. And that's it, we're done. Thanks for joining me for this craft, and stay tuned for other videos.